Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to solve some geometry maths puzzle. Okay, this is a cake puzzle. Can you see in the picture? See, they have given a cake and they are asking us to find out. We have to cut the cake into 8 pieces with only 3 cuts. See, some people can do it in seconds, but the people who don't know, today I am going to explain how we can cut the cake into 8 pieces with only 3 cuts. Okay, so let us start. So, firstly, in order to cut the cake into 8 pieces, we have to do the two vertical cuts and one horizontal cut. So, I'll show you how to do first. So, assume this is a cake. Okay, cake. First thing, what we are going to do is the first step is you have to you have to cut the cake horizontally. Okay, we first cut we will do is we need to cut 3 times. So the first cut we are going to do is the horizontal cut. See, this is a horizontal cut. So this is a cake, we have done it, cut it in a horizontal way. So our one cut is got over. The next is, now we are going to do the two vertical cuts. Okay. See, here we have done one vertical cut in this way. So in the next we are going to do one more vertical cut, that is in this way. Okay. So two vertical cuts and one horizontal cut. So this is an upper portion. See, we have taken it here. This two upper portion here and down portion here. How many pieces are there? Count it. One, two, three, four. Now in this, five, six, seven, eight. Isn't it easy? Two vertical cuts, one horizontal cut. Okay. 3 cuts, we got 8 pieces. This is a very simplest way to cut a cake into 8 pieces. Okay, this is a very good um, puzzle question. It can be asked in any competitive exams. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel, like and share my videos. Thank you.